Hi, my name is Adrian. I am the founder of Groundhogg, and here are 5 things I wish I had known before starting my company. Number 1, build your business around the customer, not the product. So many businesses that I work with, especially tech companies, are too focused on making sure that their product is awesome and that their product is successful, and they're not focusing on how awesome their customers are and making their customers successful. And if you're not getting your customers results, they're probably not going to stay customers for very long. Number 2, being different is better than being better. Your product does not necessarily have to be better than the competition's. You just have to deliver it differently. There are lots of competitors to my own technology product, but you don't see us making claims that we're better than anybody else. Why? Because we deliver it differently. We deliver it as a WordPress plugin. We deliver it as an open source project, and there's not a whole ton of other people doing it like that. Number 3, no one got rich and stayed rich by being the cheapest option. One of the most valuable lessons I learned in my first year of doing business was that by being the cheapest option, what you are doing is excluding an entire market of people who actually want to spend more to solve their problem. I heard from a number of colleagues and other business owners who went through the same thing that I did, is they thought that being the cheapest option, by being the most affordable option, would actually get them more customers. As it turns out, the vast majority of businesses out there think they need to spend a certain amount of money to be able to fix a problem that costs them a certain amount of money. And they are willing to spend whatever they need to in order to solve that problem. So you can absolutely charge more than you're charging right now, because there are businesses out there who are willing to pay for that solution. As soon as I increased my prices, I doubled my prices overnight, and overnight I saw an immediate increase in sales. So if you think you can't charge more right now, I want to challenge you. I want you to go out and I want you to double your prices, and I want you to see what happens. Number 4, niche down early. One of the problems that I see a lot of the business that I work with, and even myself in my first year, was trying to be all things to all people, providing training, solutions, courses, features, products to all different types of people so that we can collect, money from everyone. And in theory, that sounds like a great idea, but in practice, what ends up happening is you create a suite of half-baked solutions for all of these different people, and half-baked solutions don't really help anybody. What's much more effective is to look at your current existing audience, see which subgroups of people are performing or using your products really well, and then focusing in on why those people are successful and creating solutions and products to make that niche even more successful. They're going to go tell their friends, or you can get on their podcasts and go to their trade shows, and you can really just focus down on helping these smaller subgroups, and that way you're able to provide much more comprehensive solutions for them. Number 5, do more sales calls. Get on the phone. This is something that I really struggled with. As a CEO and as a founder, you think my time is valuable. I'm too important. There's a little bit of an ego thing. You're like, I don't have to get on sales calls. They should just buy. And I was totally that person, and I regret that. I think I should have been doing sales calls from day one, because as soon as I started, I learned so much about my customer. I learned new ways to sell the product, new ways to market the product. I learned about new features that people needed, and I was able to just get so much more information from my customers than I would have ever been able to get, especially, and these people haven't even bought yet, and I'm just learning so much. Plus, it also helps that 50% of them ended up buying something, and I think that's a pretty good conversion rate. So for any early founders who are thinking that they don't have enough time to get on the phone and talk to a potential customer, I urge you, just get on the phone, talk to them, you're gonna learn so much.